Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. If you are just tuning into this channel for the first time, my name is Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So today we are here in the city of Las Vegas, in the master plan community of Summerlin. So we're going to be touring this beautiful home here that's located on the corner of this cul-de-sac. You do have the main road right here, which is Charleston, so you're gonna get some of that traffic noise. For some of you guys may not like that. Just kind of give you an idea of the neighborhood here. This is a gated community. The name of this village is the Spacious. Now this home was actually built in 2005. It features 2,534 square feet, 4 bedrooms, a den, a total of 3 baths. This property is now owned by OfferPad. That's right. So OfferPad has this listed on the market as of today, $749,900. So as you can see, we got a couple things here. We got the gas meter, got the panel box. Then it looks like we have the D-mark, and we have cable running through there. Stucco, in pretty good condition. Weather's a little bit chilly today. A lot of people think this weather is horrible, but I definitely do love the overcast. It's about 50 right now, and it's about 10 o'clock in the morning. Gorgeous corner lot. What I do like about this is that you do have some parking right here, so that that would be kind of like your parking, right? So as you can see, the concrete, we have stamped concrete. Nice little courtyard here. You do have some deterioration on this retaining wall. Looks like it's splitting up just a little bit. We have some river rock. You got these wood eaves here, and if you notice the fascia board, you're probably wondering, why does that fascia board look like that? Well, it's been treated so that way it does not rot. Now it doesn't mean it can't rot, but it can. So as we come into the property, we have 18 by 18 porcelain tile. Now this is a pretty long hallway. Now as we come in, right off to the right, we have our den or office, whatever you want to call it. On this one, looks like we have 10 feet ceilings with a 6-inch crown. Orange peel texture. And you got the bullnose with the 6-inch on the baseboards. Looks like they added some brand new carpet here. Not feeling the brown, but that's just my personal opinion, which does not matter. So it looks like you do have some crown on the first floor. The tile here definitely needs to be cleaned. So right off to the left, we have closet. Coming into the half bath. Oh, you actually have some crown on there. Oh, not bad. Let's go take a look at the garage. See what this garage is all about. Okay. Front door. Let's see. We got 8-foot doors. Wow, this is like a 3-car garage, actually, tandem. Definitely has to be painted, and it looks like you need some baseboards. Wow, this is all like extra space here underneath the cabinets, but it looks like it's wasted space that they could have used towards the home. Has a brand new water tank. This looks like a 50-gallon. Yeah, it's a 50-gallon. Now I notice on this one does not have your irrigation from the main line, which you're not going to get that. And these are 1.5 lines. Now let's go see if there's a pool here, but I'm curious to see if the pool was put in as far as aftermarket. Here's like a side courtyard. I don't know, whatever you guys want to call it. Let me know in the comments below. So we got the stamped concrete. We got the little gardening going on. Pool pump here. It's cute. Now, like I said, the main road is right here. So we do have some discoloration on the stucco here on the outside. But I would probably put a lattice right above here, because your sunsets are going to be over here, so you're going to get a lot of sun baking on this side. Should we go upstairs, or you guys want to head down this way? I say, you know what, we're going to try something very unique. We're going to just go upstairs this time, okay? We got synthetic carpet. I mean, padding is in pretty good, decent shape. Color of the walls are brown. So we have laundry room, bedroom here. Another bedroom, primary bedroom. I say let's start off on this side here. Washer and dryer. So gas. From Maytag. At least they got a drain pan here. And they got laminate flooring. Or actually vinyl. Okay. We're going to come into bedroom number 1 here. This is a 10 by 11, it looks like. So on this one, it looks like you have cable outlets right here. And your half hot right here off the corner. You do have the ceiling fan. Now this bedroom is in front of the home. So sun exposure is going to be here on the west side here. Turn this off. Well, this is interesting. Whoever spec'd this out, you got 2 Cat 5s and a coax here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It might be a little bit too dark. This is just, as you can see, linen closet. Let's go this way. Bedroom number 2. This bedroom's off to the south side of the home. You got your cable outlet here. Now, like I was saying, is here's Charleston right here, the main road. Right off to the right takes you all the way up to not Mount Charleston, but the National Park, Red Rock. And the bathroom. You got the 30-inch countertops, which is very low. You got the original fiberglass tub, shower. Some apparent reason, it has a automatic switch, which is not turning on for some reason, like a sensor. So this is what, bedroom number 3. So a decent size ceiling fan. All right. I mean, the home is just outdated. Basically what they did was they came in here, threw on some paint, made it look clean, and that was pretty much it. This is what we call turn and burn. Lipstick on a pig. Now, don't get offended. I'm not saying pigs look ugly, okay? Because they are cute. Okay. Look at the tub here. This tub looks like it's never been used. It's pretty clean here. You got the Corians. It's so old school. I mean, the home is just outdated, but it's clean. I mean, they literally just came in here, just painted everything. I mean, you could just tell by the hinges, you know what I mean? It's your water closet. I'm not worried about that. Let's go take a look outside. See what we got to work with here. And everything's pretty tight. As you can see, you got the decking coming off here. You got the beautiful Las Vegas. Gorgeous day today. I love days like this. A lot of people just don't like the overcast, nice cool breeze. I love it. So this line that you see right above the window here, this is your secondary line for your furnace, or whatever you want to call it. So as you can see, and this tends to happen a lot, especially with the frame doors, sun exposure, the water is always going to run here. As you can see, we have some issues, but very easy to fix. As you can see, the water's running inside, and you got some of that deterioration in there. But again, that is normal. That's the problem about owning a home. Believe it or not, there's a lot of things that you got to do to maintain a home, right? And I would highly advise, if one thing goes wrong, fix it right away, right? If there's a problem with something, just fix it. Filters here are 20 by 20. You need like 3 of them. And the reason why I'm saying this is because this is what we call deferred maintenance. Once you let one thing go, another one goes, then it starts compiling up. Then you got more and more problems. Now, if you guys want more detailed information like HOAs, property taxes, just go ahead and click on the link in the description below, okay? Also, you gotta subscribe to the channel because we have our daily vlogs. Also, the other thing is that if you are a true fan of this show, right, and would like to get to know me on a personal level of who I am, right, check out our second channel, Real Estate, Business, Financing, Las Vegas Life. We do it all. So this is an aftermarket part. They came in here with the espresso wood flooring here. Now these are actually glued to the floor, which is solid. Here's your pantry, which is a little bit unique because it's not in the kitchen, right? You got the old school granite here. Man, they definitely put some crown all the way through. But let's take a look at the cabinet, folks. You guys know how much I love cabinets. Oh, you have the side glide MDS with some staple cabinets, okay? Just your regular standard cabinets. LG appliances, and you have the double stack Maytag. Yeah, this home definitely needs to be upgraded. That's the thing about homes, right? Homes nowadays, it's like, it's all about style and trends, and you got to keep up with the Joneses, I guess, or keep up with the times. And what I mean by that is, I love homes. When the market is good, it's very easy to sell. But when the market is tough, especially when you get into like, you know, the $3 million homes, there's just certain things that you need in a home. And homes are just like style. What I mean by that, it's like everybody has a style, right? The kind of clothes they wear, the car that they drive. And at one point, builders built this home because this was the style. But the problem is that, you know, 15, 20 years from now, like this one, is no longer the style. That's a downfall about homes like this in a very trendy city. See, as you can see where we were on the deck where the water was sitting, as you can see, the subfloor is actually splitting. You see that? And where all the water is just running down here. See that? You got a gas stub here. Alright guys, if you guys want more information about this property, just go ahead and click on the link in the description below. I really appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits with Simply Vegas, and be blessed, folks. Did you like that video home tour? Are you a fan of this channel and you want to get plugged into the real estate market? Well, I got something for you. We have a new channel, real estate, vlogs, Las Vegas lifestyle, behind the scenes, financing, flipping, commercial properties, interviews, local businesses, Chakits Krulsawat 2.0. Check it out.